In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can sell items on repo. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is search for items in the map, and once you have them, you need to hold the left click to grab them, and you need to bring them to the extraction point. So be careful to not hit the item because it can break or lose value. So to get to extraction point, you can press tab and you will see it guides you to the route to get to the extraction point. And once you are there, all you need to do is drop the item right here, or you can also put it inside this card. So you can put all your items right here to move them much easier, and put the whole card right here. So this way, as you can see at the top right, the money will start increasing, and in a few moments I'm gonna show you how you can sell those items to get the money. Okay, so now this is the last item I need to drop at the extraction point. So as you can see, I have just reached the limit, and once you drop the last item on the extraction point, which is this zone right here, it will take a few seconds to extract those items, and you will get the money. Right now, as you can see, I have 8,000 right now, and now with that money you got, you can buy upgrades or whatever you want. You can buy items as well right here, and that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.